Hello everybody, this is SPC Phoenix 3546. I'm using my cam studio right now because the Bandicam will only give me 10 minutes, and this is possibly going to be a little bit better or more than the average you know the average 10 seconds. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fake EAS alert. So yep. Now, here we go. Okay, minimize. Thank you. Okay, now you need to go to this website. The site is sites.google.com/the EAS experience. And you need to click on Play Basic Screen Files. And then there's a series of screens over here that you would like to use. For example, I'm gonna do like blue screen. Then you need to select your file right over here. Then click on light blue screen, click on EAS creator version. Wait for a couple of seconds if your computer is not slow, if your computer goes very fast. And then I'm going to do this on full screen right now. It'll show up, welcome to the what type of screen creator. If I'm doing light blue screen creator, and there you go. It's changed for a little bit. And then there's a series of alerts from letters. And since I'm only doing an example, I'm going to do required monthly test. I'm going to do the one I got today, the statewide test. Then you need to select the ticker color. For tests, I like to do green, but you can select what any kind you want. For instance, I like to do green during tests, so that's an example on one. I'm going to do green. If you're using a warning, I think I recommend doing red because that's an appropriate color for a warning. Lots is appropriate for orange, but you can choose any type of color. But I like to use the appropriate ones. I don't know why, but then you need to select your locations. I'm doing the required monthly test that I got today, so I'm going to do state of Arizona. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry if my computer is going too slow. Alright, let me use my time on my 12521, which is currently in the kitchen. I'm going to stay until 2 p.m. today. So you select what kind of time. If you're doing bar screen or channel screen, it'll ask you for a beginner's time. For instance, the test is going to end at 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock p.m. Select what any kind of time, and there's also further notice. Make sure you do AM and PM before, if you're not doing further notice. Select your day. Today is Wednesday, so I'm gonna put in that. If you're doing black screen, you're not supposed to. They won't ask you for a day. Now, any screen will ask you for for time zone, and my time zone is Mountain Daylight, so. I don't want to kind of, collect, so, yeah. Then you need a skull type, which, you need a mouse over the label to test it. Bar then text is the slowest one ever, and it's not that snappy. See how slow it goes? Bar and text is okay, but I prefer up here. So now this is something that you only have to do with light blue screen. I really love light blue screen. I don't know why, but provider, I'm gonna do my name. As you all know, is Paul. If you're doing light blue screen, it'll ask you for a provider. I don't know why, but they just do. How many times do I have? 1 hour and 5 minutes. You don't really need to give a crap about this, so just select next. Then it'll show you for Cam Studio. I'm using Cam Studio right now, so there's not much I can do. My freaking computer goes as slow as a turtle. You need to follow the directions on this. Minimize. Crap. Oh, there we go. My computer goes as slow as a turtle. But hopefully I didn't go over the YouTube limit. No, I didn't. Haha. Okay, now, once you're recording, press the enter. Go for the countdown. Again, I'm using Cam Studio, so not much I can do. And there's your scroll. Well, there's your screen though. There's a ticker. See A. See how slow it is? Look at how slow it is. I mean, I try. You know, there's nothing you can do. It's just freaking slow. Oh, by the way, in most situations, when the @ sign appears, you need to press stop on Cam Studio. But am I going over the YouTube limit? I know the YouTube limit is 15 minutes. No, I'm not. Okay. Haha. See how slow it goes? Yeah, see, it goes slow as a turtle. But it looks pretty professional to me. I don't know why, but it just does. Has been issued. See, it really goes slow. I don't know why, but it just does. Not because of my computer, but it still goes slow as a turtle. See, still scrolls, but EAS alert ticker card multitest brought to you by Paul. State of there's your location. If you selected counties, it'll say the following counties. Those are time. It does the European version. I don't know why, but crap, I think I'm going over the YouTube limit. Right? Nope. Alright, it's gonna be taking me a really slow time to upload this as well. Alright, holy crap. This is slow. And it's about to end. Yeah, it's already starting to end. Wednesday, period. That's it. And then in most situations, an @ sign will come up. Somewhere around here, then it starts to right there. And then when this sign comes up, when the scroll is done, or when this goes in the middle, that's when you need to stop recording. See? Slow. And then your scroll goes away. Well, it doesn't go away, but it stops. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And I did not go on the YouTube limit. Yay! Okay. Peace. Oh, wait. Cancel. Alright.